Hello, hello, and welcome back to Happy Time, Happy Money podcast. And today we have Adam Messina. And Adam is a new and upcoming 25 years old influencer who teaches people how to live the laptop lifestyle and making money online. Adam is leading people around the world, showing them high income skills is investing, trading, and e-commerce for financial free life with existing and endless opportunities. He welcomes anyone who is focused, driven, and entrepreneurial that wants to live the dream life. To join his expanding team, a little advertisement here. Hello and welcome, Adam.
Hi, thank you so much for having me.
Oh, so good to have you over here. I'm sure our audience and would love to know more about you, who you are, what you do, what inspires you to do what you do. Just tell us everything.
I'm 25 years old. I recently quit my job in 2020 to pursue helping people with investing and finances. And my story is basically I was at university in third year of university studying for software development and had an interest in finance and investing, but couldn't fully pursue it because I was studying for what I wanted to do in future with the job. And in university, I worked hard. I got a first class honors in first year, second year, third year, got student of the year, and then left university to pursue a job in software development. And then got to it. It was absolutely fantastic. I worked there for a year and 10 months, but then suddenly realized, and I'm sure many people also have this thought, is like, will I really be doing this for the next 30 to 40 years of my life? And I thought, there's so much more I really want to do. So I left that job and continued with what I was interested in my final year of university, which was investing and finance. And since then, I've been helping people around the world with my Instagram account and YouTube and Twitter account, and trying to do the best I can with helping people around the world. And there's a lot I've got to talk about today. So that's my story.
Love it. So you're like everywhere on all social medias, and that's perfect, right?
Yes.
We get to leverage social media power. So how are you helping people live the laptop mobile lifestyle?
Well, it's actually quite a big piece of news that I'm going to drop today. And I've partnered with Jason Stone, who's also known as the millionaire_mentor on Instagram. He has over 7.9 million followers, and he already helps people with financial freedom. And my partnership with him is helping to bring new people in who are hungry, who are willing entrepreneurs to learn high income, non-capped skills like trading in crypto, Forex and binary options and e-commerce, and bringing them into an academy to learn these high income skills and to reach a level of financial freedom that sets them free and allows them to get back to really enjoying life. Because there's an absolutely substantial statistic that over 80% of people worldwide don't enjoy what they do in their jobs. And to me, that's really sad. And what we want to do is help bring people back to enjoying what they love. And one of the massive hurdles that people find is the financial situations is what they struggle with. So what we want to do is help bring people in to learn these high income skills, absolutely crush their finances and make a lot of money, and then be able to live the top lifestyle, traveling wherever they want to. You could be working on the beaches in the Maldives, you could be working in a skyscraper in Dubai, traveling around the US, Japan, Philippines, Argentina, anywhere. And that's essentially the mobile laptop lifestyle.
And so awesome. And so how do you start? What is the first 3 steps you get to take to start to make that happen?
The first 3 steps would be to message me, reach out to me on Instagram, and I can bring you to a live call with some of the guys inside the academy so you can see exactly what goes on and how we're helping people live this laptop mobile lifestyle. And the second thing is you'd sign up and learn these high income skills. And the third thing is you could reach this laptop mobile lifestyle and be financially free. But it does take a lot of hard work, and we're looking for the right type of people who are willing to become entrepreneurs
So what is
and
the
work
top?
for
Okay, just tell
themselves.
me then, what is the top 3 skills that you get to learn? You're speaking about all the skills of all the,
Yes.
by a lifestyle, but what is those skills?
The skills are your understanding how the markets are affected around the world. With lots of different markets, there's so much money flowing through each of them, and learning trading is a huge skill because you learn how to tap into a trillion dollar markets and how you can redirect that money through your trades whilst being whilst managing whilst managing your trades in the proper way so that you see profits. And that's one of the huge skills that they teach at the academy, and what I'm trying to help bring people into. The other 2 skills I would say are your time management, because there's a lot of videos to watch and a lot to keep up with. And the third thing is your financial management, as they help you with different financial plans as well.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Well, what if you don't, what if you want to travel, but you don't want to be a trader? Like, what else can you do? What else
If
can we
you,
learn?
well, they have an e-commerce part to the academy. So if you didn't want to trade and you still want to travel, the e-commerce that they teach people is to do with Shopify. Type of e-commerce model allows you to work from anywhere in the world and live that laptop lifestyle, because you don't have the same requirements like you do with Amazon FBA, where you'd have to physically be there to manually box up all of the items that you're selling and ship them off to a Amazon FBA center. With e-commerce with Shopify, you just need to contact the seller, who is based either in China or in India, typically, and you then help sell their products through what you set up. For example, you setting up a Shopify website and learning marketing and how to get that to a wider audience, helping the people who are selling those products, but also helping yourself and you being able to live that laptop mobile lifestyle, traveling the world.
So what is the top 3 mistakes that people are making when they want to start the lifestyle of being not in home, and they just like keep coming on to? Keep repeating.
I think I understand. Do you mean if people want to try this lifestyle, but they haven't done it through the academy? Is that what you mean?
No, what is the top mistakes that people are making when they want to have a laptop lifestyle, but they are keep facing? And
it is definitely consistency on all 3 of them. And because so you see many people try and start this ambitious task, which not a lot of people get to do in their lifetime. But it really comes down to how consistent you are with your learning, with trading, with keeping up with contacts in other countries and building relationships. And your learning is definitely top priority, but consistency, yeah, I'd say.
got it. Perfect. Awesome. And the last question that I always ask on this podcast is fill in the blank for me, please. If you really knew me, you will know that I am blank.
A ambitious person who's trying to help make a big difference to the future.
Got it. Perfect. And super good. Well, thank you so much for coming. And I will link to information of Adam Instagram in the show notes. You can always just scroll down and find the link to our episode, and then click the link, and there's going to be all the information and everything that we mentioned in the episode. Thank you so much for coming, Adam. And thank you so much for watching or listening to this episode. And I'll see you in a new one tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.